Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mansi. Today's video is on gold eye makeup. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to it. I post new videos every week and in the middle of the video, I will tell you a makeup tip. So stay tuned. Here I am using Oxycolor lens shade Hazel. Here I am starting with my eyes. I always prefer to do my eyes before my face makeup. Here I am using tape to get the clean straight edges. Now I am using concealer as the base of my eye makeup. With the damp sponge I am setting the product well. Taking brown shade from the palette, I am using it as my base color. With a flat shader brush, I am applying all over my eyelids. I am repeating the same process on my other eye. Now with the round blending brush, I am softening the crease. You can see how it melts into the skin. Now taking the second shade, which is one shade deeper, I am applying in the corner of my eyes. And again I will blend and mix both the shades together. Now for smoky eye look, I am using black shade, which is the darkest shade in the palette. I am applying in the corner of the eyes. So blending should always be a part after applying all the shades on the eyes. Otherwise it won't soften the look, and make sure it will mix with the primary shades. Starting from inner corner to the center of my eyes, I am applying concealer because here I want to apply gold shade. Blend well the concealer. If I apply golden shade directly, it would mix and the effect would not be prominent. So make sure your area should be clean before applying light shade. From Miss Rose Shimmer palette, I have chosen gold shade and with the flat shader brush I am applying on my lids. You can apply the shade until you get the desired result. I have to blend the gold shade with the darker shade to diffuse them well. Otherwise, eyes look harsh. Now, taking the liquid gold eyeshadow, I am applying on golden shade to get more glittery look. I will definitely put link in my description box. Here, I am dabbing the product with my fingers. Eyes more bold, I am applying winged liner, which is my favorite. But You can draw any short line or any other type of eyeliner in which you are comfortable. Here I am applying golden liquid eyeliner on the tip of wing liner, and this is completely optional. Using some concealer, I am cleaning up the border of my brows. Here I have done my eyebrows as well. Now, under the eyes, I am applying concealer and moving towards my face makeup. Here, I am curling up my lashes to put mascara and then will add falsies. Making my eyes bold and more attractive, I am applying blue kohl pencil in my waterline, but you can use black as well. To make my kajal smudge proof and for more bright eyes, I am applying black eyeshadow outside my waterline. And last step for eyes is to add falsies. I generally prefer to add falsies with heavy eye makeup. If you want to add them, make sure it would be of the same size of your lashes. You can cut falsies and alter them to match your original eyelashes. After adding them, I am applying highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes. And here is the completed eye look. Here I am completing my face makeup also. You can watch how to apply foundation and how to highlight and contour your face in the given link. To give the complete look, I am applying illuminator or highlighter on my face. Here I am applying nude lipstick. I generally prefer these kind of shades with heavy eye makeup. Here is the tip. Before doing eye makeup, rub some ice cube directly or wrapped in a towel for few minutes. This method prevents the puffiness or tiredness from your eyes. Hope you all enjoyed my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and support me, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Love you so much.